Apple Watch Series 6 design is the one we've all been waiting for. Apple Watch 6 render brings a big wishlist item to life. I wondered how Apple could make me an Apple Watch Series 6, even though I just got a Series 5. An aspiring industrial designer online has returned to an old rumor back to the surface. What would happen if Apple made an Apple Watch with a round display? Don't get me wrong, I like the Apple Watch Series 5 a lot. But I still often wish it looked less, like an Apple Watch. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This Apple Watch design pops for me for one particular reason: the textile-like pattern around its bezel that almost looks like a speaker. This render comes to us from YouTube account Phone Industry, and oddly shows a new format digital crown that doesn't look circular, which might be in reaction to existing rumors that Apple could kill the iconic dial. Of course, a rounded edges Apple Watch is more unlikely than likely. Apple's still trying to get more battery life out of the device for sleep tracking, and what, you're gonna tell them to round off the corners of the current square design? That doesn't really work. Speaking of battery life, when this video suggests this hypothetical watch could have 48 hours of battery life, I was reminded of why I always look at these renders with a tablespoon of skepticism. The current Apple Watch offers only 18 hours of battery life, so this would be a big leap. However, the promised micro-LED display in the Apple Watch 6 could result in a more efficient design. Catch up on all of the latest Apple Watch 6 rumors and leaks, and stay tuned for more info as we get closer to its expected September launch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.